Welcome to online lecture series of Turbo Machines. Here is Professor Lakshman Mane. This is lecture on impact of jet part 3, that is flat plate in series. I acknowledge my sincere thanks to the following authors and internet resource for being used the concept to make this video lecture. So, in this session, you will be able to explain an expression for force exerted on flat plate in series. Also, you will be explained to series of vanes mounted on wheel gives maximum efficiency, that is 50%. So, from this animation, you can see over here that here is a wheel on which number of flat plates are mounted. So it is called as series of flat plate mounted on wheel. So in this session, we are going to derive the force exerted by the jet of water on the flat plate mounted on series and its maximum efficiency. So let us see first impact of jet on series of flat plates. So in this case, the plate is fixed on the wheel which is moving with velocity u in the direction of jet, that is v. So as one plate comes out of the jet strike to the other plate and the whole flow from the jet strikes the plate when all plates are considered. So let us take next step, force exerted by the jet on the plate. For that, consider the parameters: v, that is velocity of jet, u, plate velocity, v minus u in this case is a effective velocity. So in this case, mass flow rate striking to the plate is rho av, kg per second. So by the impulse momentum principle, formula for the force can be written as m dot into velocity difference, that is velocity before striking minus velocity after striking. So velocity before striking is effective velocity and velocity after striking is 0. Thus by putting the m dot, that is rho av, and simplifying, we get force exerted by the jet on series of flat plate is rho a into v minus u bracket square in Newton. Now work done per second, that is power, is what? Product of force into plate velocity. So as we know, force expression, putting over here force expression, we get power, that is rho a bracket v minus u bracket complete into plate velocity in watt. Now efficiency, it is ratio of work done per second to kinetic energy per second. So let us first of all derive kinetic energy of jet per second, that is half mass flow rate into v square, putting m dot rho av and simplifying, we get half rho a v cube. So putting the expression of work done per second and kinetic energy of jet per second in the efficiency, we can have here ratio of rho av into bracket v minus u bracket complete u divided by half rho av v square. So this expression we use for the better cancellation. So here rho av, these three terms are cancelling from the numerator and denominator. So by simplifying, we get efficiency, that is 2 into capital V minus small u bracket complete into u by capital V square. Now for maximum efficiency, as we know, velocity of jet we have to take constant, means there is a variable plate velocity. So condition will be what? Derivative of efficiency with respect to plate velocity is equal to 0. So d by du of efficiency, the expression is equal to 0. Now 2 by v square are the constant, that's why will be coming out of the bracket. Rest of terms, derivative with respect to plate velocity is equal to 0. As 2 by v square is not equal to 0, means derivative of this bracket is equal to 0. So derivative of this bracket will be what? Velocity of jet into plate velocity derivative 1, plate velocity square derivative twice u. So we can have here velocity of jet is equal to twice of plate velocity, or plate velocity is half of jet velocity. So this is what condition for maximum efficiency. Now putting this, that is capital V is equal to 2u in the efficiency equation, we can have eta max, that is 2 into V is 2u minus u into u divided by 4u square. So cancellation of terms, we get half, that is 50%. So we can say that series of vanes mounted on wheel gives maximum efficiency 50%. So in this way, after this session, now you can explain an expression for the force exerted by the jet on series of flat plate. Also, you can illustrate that series of vanes mounted on wheel gives maximum efficiency 50%. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.